Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy Rogstad, and in this video I'm going to create or start making a perpetual art journal. What a perpetual art journal is it's a journal that you write something in or draw something in either once a day, once a week, and you come back to that page every year. So it could last 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, just as long as till like each page is complete or full. So in this journal, I am using the Etchr Perfect Sketchbook, which you can get from etchrlabs.com, I believe. And with this sketchbook, it's set up to have 52 pages. So I'm going to do a page for each week of the year. And I will be coming back to that page every year until the sketchbook is complete. And it's a really good way to see your progress, see how your art style has changed, and just see how you evolve as an artist or even a writer. So I thought this was a really good idea, something I've never done before. So I will be setting up the initial page in this video. So like I said, I'm using the Etchr Perfect Sketchbook, which you can only get once a year. So the Etchr Sketchbook might still be available, it might not be, but they also do have the white one. It's called the Everyday Sketchbook. That one also has 52 pages, I believe. I'm using the Ranger Distressed Archival ink for this. I have 4 colors: Hickory Smoke, Black Soot, Vintage Photo, Ground Espresso. And these inks are acid-free, permanent, and waterproof. And I will be stamping on the date in the upper right-hand corner in the sketchbook using one of those stamps where you can change the date. Mine's really old. I've had it for like 10 years, but it's actually on the last year you can rotate it to, which is 2022, which is amazing. So I didn't have to buy a new one, but next year I will have to. So for this sketchbook, my intention is drawing things that I see in nature, things that I see when I'm walking my dog. There's lots of plants and trees and leaves and flowers. So my intent is to maybe find something each day that I can draw. And if I don't see anything, I'll probably just grab something from the internet to get inspiration from, especially in these winter months. In Minnesota, it's pretty cold and snowy. Not a lot's going on outside. There are a lot of birds. So yeah, that's the intention with this sketchbook. And hopefully I just see improvement over the years and I can kind of see the style that I evolve into. So I'm doing some swatches now. This is the Vintage Photo, which is the lighter brown in this set. I bought this set of 4 from Amazon. It was relatively cheap. I think it was like $6. And then the next color I will be swatching is the Ground Espresso. I really like this color. I like the deep brown color that it has. And I'll probably be interchanging all these colors throughout this sketching journal. And then by each painting that I do, I want to actually have the date that I did it. So I'll have the date of the week up at the top, and then by each photo, the actual day that or by each drawing, the actual day that I did that drawing. And the next color I have is the Hickory Smoke. I really like this color too. It's a nice gray. And as I'm doing these swatches, I'm kind of learning how to stamp. I've never really been into stamping or done much stamping, so I'm just kind of getting used to using this. Surprisingly, I've had this stamp for like 10 years, but I've never used it. And the final color I have is the black soot, which is the color I used on the first sketchbook I made or stamped. So I'm actually going to be doing 2 of these perpetual journals because one of my other goals is to get better at drawing heads, the body anatomy. So I'll be doing another sketchbook to kind of go through my progress of getting better at drawing heads or getting better at drawing bodies. And so this is what I'm stamping now, is the second sketchbook. So hopefully I'll be able to keep up with this. I mean, it's 2 drawings a week, so it shouldn't be that hard. I think it'll just be remembering and keeping up the motivation to draw something once a week, every week of the year. So we'll see how I do, basically. But I think it'll be really interesting to see the results after like a year, 2 years, 5 years. I mean, I plan on using this until the pages are completely full. I think it'll just have like a really nice look. And so that is all that I have for this video. Let me know if you've done one of these, or let me know if you're going to start doing one of these. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!